to my channel. If you're new here, this is Core's Life. So today we're going to be making a recipe video on how to make the Dalgona Matcha. It's a very famous drink that has been trending on different social medias. Usually people do the Dalgona coffee, but this is an alternative if you're a tea lover like me. It's really easy to make. It doesn't take that long, less than 10 minutes, and it tastes great. So let's get started, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
For this recipe, we're gonna need matcha powder, sugar, hot water, heavy cream, almond milk, and ice. We're gonna start by adding in 2 teaspoons of matcha powder with 4 teaspoons of sugar. To this, we're gonna add in 4 teaspoons of hot water, and then we're gonna mix it well. Then you wanna add in half a cup of heavy cream. You wanna mix all of this until you get a whipped consistency and all the matcha powder has blended in well. Once that is done, you want to add in a few cubes of ice in a glass, and to that you want to add in almond milk. If you prefer, you can use regular milk or coconut milk. And then on top of that, you want to add in the whipped matcha mixture you made. Then to that, I like to add a dash of matcha powder just to make it look nice. And with that, this recipe has come to an end. It's very quick and easy, and it tastes delicious. It's a great alternative to a caffeinated drink. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.